You see how the halo come on like that? So today we got a 2008 Chevy Impala. Yes, it's Impala. 2000. Did I say 2008? It's 1968. So customer got the halo light, all of these right here, installed before, and then it was not working. So I came and checked to put a new one on. We got the halo working. The problem is the headlight's not working. So now I went through and checking a different kind of wire. This green wire right there, it's a green wire that go to this plug, light green right there. I trace it down to here, and I test the voltage on it. There's no voltage when you turn the light on. So from between here to the fuse, there must be a short, because I test this light blue wire right there. This is a light switch, okay? I test this light blue right there. When you pull the switch, it came on. So that means the switch is good because it's turned on. But I trace it down to the fuse. See that light blue wire right there? Yes, it's got the power still around here. So between here to here, I think this green wire right there, I tested also. There's no power when I turn the light on. So from here to there, I think there's a bat in the back. I mean, the fuse didn't blow. It looked good. So I'm gonna take this out and see if that's a problem right there. Now that is the look like an 8mm. I'm gonna take it out and see if anything wrong in the back. So after I took the fuse right there out, the whole panel out, fuse panel out, everything seemed to be okay. So I went in there and traced this wire right there, the blue wire right there. When I turn on the light, it does show lights over here, but it doesn't send an output to the green that's going out there. All this wire right there going out to the front. So what I found out is that it's the switch. This switch is right. Sometimes it feel like it want to work sometime, and sometimes it doesn't want to work. So right now I got the switch as in the right position. I'm not going to touch it, because if that switch is out, customer ain't gonna have no light. So I'm gonna turn on the light. This is old, so you gotta kind of hold with it like that. So now the light is on. See? That light is on. So, but the I'm not sure if this is the high output or low output, but anyway, I know the light is on. I'm not sure how that works, but only this light is on, and this light ain't on. So sometime somewhere in that switch is bad. Now I got my halo. I'm gonna turn on the halo switch. Had the switch down right here. It won't come on right now because I didn't turn on the key. So I'm gonna turn on the keys. The light is on, meaning that the halo should work. Yep, you see how the halo come on like that? So yep, that is the problem, is the switch. I wouldn't try to test elsewhere.